I'm gonna go on the sweaty side. Alrighty, so here in the country I was born in, your white is the neutral, the black is the live, the yellow is the nude brown, okay, so I'm going to just check my strip lengths here, just to make sure I got some good strip lengths. That's good. This strip length check, it's good. Okay, so close the screws we're not going to be using here. So, round wire around our green screw. You always go the direction your screw turns. Make sure it's tight. White wire, make sure the pressure plate is down, get it in the hole there. Make sure insulation is right up to the plastic there. Make sure it's nice and tight. Flip it around. Pressure plate in. Get it in the hole there.
Oh, yeah.
Make sure it's tight. Hole open here. Make sure our ground wire stands away from everything here.
Crack one wide open.
And we're staying back away from everything there. Well, I rounded out that screw hole a bit. I'm going to take the screw out. It won't tighten anymore, so gotta get rid of it.
They said somebody pour me a drink. Right, David?
Yeah.
Yeah! What do you need, buddy?
Screw. The one that's on the outside of the head messed up and I couldn't tighten it. So I did another one.
Crack screw?
Yes, it is. I mean, the one that was on the outlet was bad. Okay, I found another one. Now the roll trick, all I need is put some water on it.
Dave, I'm getting old.
Oh, the screws, it's going to strip, so I'm going to take it out and I'm going to shorten it.
What's wrong, Dave?
Well, if there's something plugging the back of the thread hole, so I'm going to just shorten the screw up a little bit.
Is there mud in there?
No. So I'm just shortening it up with my 632.
Get it?
Yeah, I'm going to get it. Shortening this up a bit here. Just back and forth a few times to get the threads good again. Okay, here we go. Okay. Make sure it's nice, tight, and we're set. Okay, so those screws we're not using here. Here in the country I was born in, your black wire is live, your white is neutral, and your berry green is the ground. Red and blue are also live colors, and white is the only color allowed to be used for a neutral. It can be live in some instances, like on a single, on a switch loop or a 220-240 volt circuit where the appliance does not require a neutral, but it should be remarked with either red, black, or blue tape. Get our wire stripped here. We'll just check our lengths. Make sure it's not long enough. See how we fit through the holes. That's up nice and tight there. Nice and tight. Make sure it's nice and tight. We'll flip it around. We'll get our black into that. Make sure the pressure plate is back. Put our wire in. Now this is not a stab lock. This is a pressure plate lock here. our ground wire down at the bottom here. Ship this one out just a bit on the top. Now be nice and flush with the wall like a toilet. Get the joke flush and flush.